Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legally own this MacBook. That matters. Once done, gather the proof of purchase and the Mac serial or IMEI. Apple will ask. Make sure you also know the Apple ID or recovery contacts that might remove the lock. If you don't, reach out to anyone who previously owned the device. Don't attempt hacks. Preparing documents and account info speeds the legitimate process with Apple support or the prior owner. Now act through Apple's official paths. Sign into iCloud. Com with the Apple ID that locked the Mac and remove the device from Find My if possible. Once done, the lock clears. If you cannot sign in, contact the previous owner and ask them to remove the Mac from their account remotely. It's quick. If those options fail, call Apple support, present the receipt and serial number, and request activation lock removal following their verification steps. Finish by following Apple's verification and device processing instructions. Once they confirm ownership, they'll remove the lock. If you're turned down, politely request escalation or book an appointment at an Apple store with the original receipt and photo ID. In-person review often resolves edge cases. If the activation lock still appears, double-check the serial number you provided and ask for case reference. Keep records so you can follow up efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.